first met Marco a while ago through a workshop, and that's how I start to learn about his practice. And the way I work is that I normally will establish a really nice relationship with the artist and get to know their personal life and also their artistic practice more before I decide to collaborate with them. So I feel like this show, in my writings, I describe it as his current self-portrait, because I know Marco has a lot of expressionist influence, and he has using vivid colors, lines, like very passionate style, especially in painting and printmaking. So I feel like this show also kind of challenges his boundaries and his safe comfort zones in making art. To really want to talk about like stereotyping about men's image in society, and he's also another extra layer in society as a queer, a gay man, and happy married one. And that's why the show is called Sans Stereotypes, which means that hopefully people can see without stereotyping and no filters, and really just see like before all kinds of different labels or all kinds of things that we identify, we're just human beings, and we should start seeing people and other individuals in that way.